Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of jitters in the European banking sector. But first, in the US, sales of single-family homes rose unexpectedly by more than 3% in September, pointing to sustained demand for housing. The American trade deficit narrowed sharply, while both wholesale and retail inventories rose in September, both surprising the market. There was also a surprisingly strong improvement in this service sector. October data pointed to faster growth across the whole sector. Business activity and incoming new work both expanded at the fastest pace for 11 months. The latest survey also revealed an upturn in confidence towards the year-ahead business outlook, with service providers reporting their strongest optimism since August 2015. Across the border, Canada's housing agency is warning on the state of the country's real estate markets as frothy conditions persist in some key cities. They expect their markets to slow sharply in 2017. The World Economic Forum says the gender gap is getting wider, but it rated New Zealand 9th in the world in terms of gender equity, and that's up from 10th last year. Airlines are expecting air cargo trade to slow in 2017. But this review shows that just how fast air freight is grabbing market share in the trade of goods worldwide. And that in turn involves a vast reduction in stocks companies need to hold. In Australia, yesterday's surprise rise in their CPI probably lowered the chance of a rate cut next Tuesday. In the UK, the Bank of England has asked large British lenders to detail their current exposure to Deutsche Bank and some of the biggest Italian banks, including Monte dei Paschi. And that's amid mounting market jitters over the health of Europe's financial sector. There are real concerns about this because as soon as banks stop trusting each other, problems mushroom fast. In New York, the US 10-year yield got up to 1.8% today, which is the highest level in 5 months. It's 1 basis point lower at present. In the US, the benchmark oil price is $1 lower today too, at just over $49 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is still under $50 a barrel. The gold price is unchanged at $1,272 an ounce. The New Zealand dollar is just a touch lower too. It's 71.5 US cents, and on the cross rates it's at 93.5 Aussie cents, and the euro is 65.6 euro cents. The TWI is at 75.7. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.